Actually, it is known as the 3-generation tree because it can survive a farmer, his children, and his grandchildren. Yes. The coconut is powerful.
Yeah.
There are so many health benefits to it.
My Jamars family, how you do? Awesome. All right, I'm going to be brute in the audience with you. I'm a little bit disappointed in myself. Why? Because I've done a lot of videos, as you know, on popular and unusual fruits of Jamaica, medicinal herbs of Jamaica, all the good stuff. And for some reason, we're just getting around to this one. What is that? The coconut. Another staple, another popular, highly used traditional food here, or fruit here in Jamaica. Today though, I have the distinct privilege of meeting up with Marcia. Marcia is not just a proponent of healthy living and a healthy lifestyle. Marcia is a heavy lover of coconut. I meet up with her. We're going to talk and share and engage each other, learning with each other about the amazing health benefits of coconut. And I'm taking you along the journey. If though, for whatever reason, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you right now to pause and hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. And that way, you'll see updated on all my latest videos. Let's go to coconut, Jamaican style. Well. So this is the tree, guys. I could probably say the tree of life, because this fruit I am claiming to be one of the, certainly, if there's one fruit or one food that you need to survive, it is this, the coconut. And this is Marcia Grey. How you do?
I'm well.
Say hi to me. Say hi to me,
hi, everybody. Hi.
Marcia, guys, is a big proponent. Is a lover of coconut. I told you. And for the record, Marcia is actually an educator, right, Marcia?
Yes.
So we get that out of the way. They are bright people. She loves to laugh, guys. All right. So, Marcia, what made you so interested in coconut?
The coconut, you said just now that the coconut is a tree of life.
Yes.
It is in fact so.
Yeah.
The coconut can live for up to 100 years, anywhere between 60 to 100 years.
Oh, true?
And it is known as the tree of life.
Oh, for real?
Yes. Actually, it is known as the 3-generation tree because it can survive a farmer, his children, and his grandchildren. Yes. The coconut is powerful.
Yeah.
There are so many health benefits to it.
Yes.
That it will amaze you just learning about them.
Yes.
And I have come to love the coconut mostly because of its versatility, what it can do. It can do many things. It is used in cosmetics. It is used in the kitchen. It is used for fuel.
For fuel?
Yes. For fuel, it is actually used to run combustion engines.
What you saying?
Yes, it can be blended with diesel oil to run combustion engines.
I didn't know that.
And and in fact, diesel engines were originally run by vegetable oils. But over time, they changed the configuration of the engine, so they require a different type of fuel. But now it's coming back. So it's good for that. It's good as medicine.
Of course, that's what we're going to talk about, guys.
Yes.
Yes.
We can use it to gargle mouth. It's good for mouth sores. Yeah. You may have heard of oil pulling.
I heard the term, yes.
Yes.
And we're going to talk about that as well.
Okay,
yes.
Okay. So it is used for that. It's used in culinary arts. It is used in cosmetics. It is used to make things. The coconut tree has so many benefits. The leaves can be used to make thatch roofs.
This here, right here?
Yes, the dried ones. Yes. It can also be used to make rope. It can be used to make mats. The shell of the coconut can be used to make craft items. The shell, yes. Craft items, mats, rope, and so on. I don't know if persons remember Koya mattress. Koya mattress, long time.
I don't remember it, but I know of it.
Yes.
I mean, I don't know it, but I know the term.
You've heard of it.
Well, and some of you guys online know what we're talking about. If you know, tell me. The Koya mattress. I heard it.
Koya mattress.
And it's made from coconut.
It's made from the husk of the coconut.
Oh, the husk or the
That's between that part that after you...
Oh, yes.
Yeah, after you husk the coconut, the part that is in between the outside and the shell.
Yes.
Yes.
Koya. That's what they use in the mattress.
Yes, it is used to make mattress. In its day, it was king.
Coconut mattress.
Yes.
It's a big thing.
Yes.
Okay.
In its day, not so much now, but in its day, it was.
Yes. What else do you know about coconut, guys? This is it. This is the tree here. But today we're gonna zoom in on the health benefits component, and I want to tell. Well, let me ask: have traditionally in Jamaica? Yes, I don't want to stop you in the tracks. But traditionally, you say we use it as a kaya. Is it kaya, you say?
The Koya mattress.
Kaya mattress, yes. What else? Let me finish
traditionally, in the kitchen, it is used to make drops and grater cake.
Yes.
And pudding.
Yes, ma'am. We love that.
Milk and rice and peas.
Yes.
If there's no coconut milk in your rice and peas, it's not rice and peas.
No, it's not rice
so
and
it is
peas.
used for that.
Yeah.
It is used.
It's peas or rice. Yeah.
It is used for the milk in porridge, banana porridge, cornmeal porridge, plantain porridge, all of those. It just takes the porridge to a different level.
Everything you put coconut in.
Anything.
It enhances.
Yes.
Fantastic.
So it is used for that. I use it a lot in baking. I bake a lot, so I use the grated coconut a lot.
By the way, guys, she promised to give me some more baking today. So you'll hear about that if you don't give me. All right,
I have it. Yes, so it is used for that. I use it to make ice cream.
Yes.
As well.
Oh, you bring the ice cream for me?
Yes.
All right.
Soil ice cream.
Yes.
So I use it for that. It is used cosmetically to make creams, hair products. It is good for the hair if you have a certain type of hair.
Yes.
It makes it soft and helps it to grow and so on.
Yes.
And so it is used for that. It is used to make, if you have ever heard of oil pulling, that's an activity where persons will put oil in their mouth, coconut oil usually, and just gargle it. It's like you're using a mouthwash.
Yes.
But it's done for a longer period of time.
Yes.
And that has been proven scientifically to have benefits.
Yes.
It kills the oral bacteria, the bad bacteria in your mouth. And it takes down inflammation. So if you have swollen gums, or bad breath and things like that, the coconut oil will help.
You're brighty, man. Brilliant. Give her a thumbs up for me, guy. Very good. Thank you. I have some notes because when I'm doing these videos, I do my own research as well. So if any of my interviewees saying foolishness, I know you know. So you're brilliant, guys. Give her a thumbs up now. Marcia Grey. And so in total.
Yes.
In total, this is a nutritional powerhouse. You would agree with me, right?
Yes.
And so while it doesn't, and I said, guys, that it is the one fruit you need to survive. But while it does not provide all the essential elements to survive, you know, we need a balanced diet. You know, we want protein, fats. Where the biology people, you teach bio too? No,
I've taught it in the past.
Okay. Fats, protein,
vitamins,
carbohydrates,
carbohydrates.
Yes. And the three big ones: fat, protein, and carbohydrate. Yes. While it doesn't have everything, it has a lot. Yes. And I'm gonna share a couple with you guys, right? I'm gonna share with you, and Miss Grey is gonna hold me accountable, right? Because she taught bio. Number one, it is a treasure trove of healthy fats, especially medium chain triglycerides. They call them NCTs, known for quick energy.
Yes.
And this includes a mix of lauric, caprylic, and capric acids.
Yes.
This bad boy here. Number two, it has some carbohydrate content. It has some carbohydrate, mainly in the form of fiber, aiding to digestion, and a hint of natural sugars for that tropical sweetness.
Yes.
Protein presence, while not abundant, coconuts do provide some amount of protein, contributing to our daily intake.
Yes.
They give you a vitamin boost. Agree?
Yes, that's true.
Yeah, vitamin C. It has vitamin B, B1, B2, riboflavin, B3, niacin, B5, pantothenic acid, B6, folate. Whew. It's rich in it's rich in minerals, including potassium, manganese, copper, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, and we talk about the antioxidants already, and of course fiber, both soluble and insoluble fiber,
yes,
for digestive health. Yes. So I don't know if you ever watched any of those, maybe movies or books, where people are stranded on an island. Well, maybe one of you guys watching probably can relate to it. You've read some of those stories where somebody, whether it's a ship or something, is shipwrecked on a tropical island, and there's only one plant.
Yes.
Usually it's what? A coconut. It's a coconut. They have to survive on the coconut tree.
And do you know why?
Why?
The coconut can go anywhere.
Yeah, it
can grow in stony environments. It can grow in sand environment, like on the beach, and that is because of its root system.
Okay, okay.
So it has what we call fibrous roots, about between 3,000 to 5,000 fibrous roots. Each tree would have that.
Yeah, and
it sends it out to hold itself in the earth. So when we get a storm or hurricane, coconut trees hardly fall down.
Yes.
If a coconut tree falls, then it's really a bad storm.
Yes, yes, yes.
So you will find
you lose some limbs, but usually it's still stand up.
Yes.
Man, man. So yes, so I was saying, and also too, I think part of it too is that I think this in those stories certainly it's this fruit that people used to eat until they get rescued. Yeah. Yeah. So there's possibly reason for that. So what does this mean in terms of health benefits to us? We did some research, guys. I'm gonna share it with you, myself and Miss Gray here. By the way, this is a whole coconut, not yet. Yes. I wonder if we should. Okay, well, I'm assuming you know coconut by now. Everybody knows coconut. This is how it looks when it is fit and dried off the tree. This is how it looks, and we cut it.
Yes.
And when you cut it, you do the husking, and you get this. This is like the seed, not the seed. Well, what? The nut or whatever.
Yes.
And this is what come out when you break it.
Yeah.
When you break it now, you get.
Looks like
it opens like this, and there's water in there. The water too. We can do a separate video on the water. Loaded with health benefits. I'm going to talk about that. So number one, the coconut and we talk about the coconut in general now. The meat, the oil, the water and everything. The coconut gives an energy. Well, it gives you an energy boost. Let me calm down a little bit. Oh, by the way, show them the oil.
Oh.
That one, yeah. So this is natural coconut oil. So after traditionally after you get this is the meat of the coconut here. This is the meat of the coconut here. We scoop this out. This is grated or shredded and blended, and its juice squeeze, boil, or whether it's cold press or boil, and we get this pure coconut oil. Now, that coconut oil is from Marcia. I'm gonna ask Marcia to put on that one because we have our own coconut oil. This is from me and my friend April. You remember that video? If you didn't see that video, guys, it's in the link in the description. We show you how to make authentic Jamaican coconut oil using this same coconut here. Anyway, let me calm down. I'm getting a little excited and talk about the health benefits of coconut. It gives you an energy boost. So the medium chain triglycerides, MCTs in coconuts, provide a quick and sustained energy source, making them an excellent choice for a pre-workout snack. Right? Number two, heart health. The healthy fats in coconut, particularly lauric acid, may contribute to heart health by supporting healthy cholesterol levels. Number three, digestive support. The fiber content aids in digestion, promoting a healthy gut and preventing constipation. Number 4, immune system support. Vitamin C, which is present in coconuts, is an antioxidant that helps boost the immune system, protecting the body against infections. Number 5, nutrient absorption. The healthy fats in coconut can enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Number 6, bone health. Minerals like phosphorus and manganese contribute to bone health, ensuring your skeletal system stays strong. Strong. Solid bone health. Electrolyte balance. With its potassium content, coconut water helps maintain proper electrolyte balance, especially beneficial after exercise or in hot weather. Antioxidants defense. The antioxidants present in coconuts combat oxidative stress, which is linked to various chronic diseases and aging. And we have heard about Alzheimer's and other dementias. You ever heard of, that? The coconut oil? Good for that?
Oil. They have actually extracted a particle, a part of the coconut, and have made it into capsules to be used for that, for memory problems.
Memory problems?
Yes.
Well, I need a little of that too. Weight management. Yeah, I'm gonna need a little bit of that too. The combination of healthy fats and fiber can contribute to the feeling of fullness, potentially aiding in weight management. And number 10, skin and hair health. The vitamins and antioxidants in coconut can contribute to healthy skin and hair, both when consumed and when applied topically. But we say moderation is key. But coconuts in your diet, in regular use, can give you a bunch of health perks. Certainly. Agreed?
Yes, I do.
You can't disagree with that.
I agree.
All right, guys. So
I agree.
Which one of these surprised you though? Which one of them of the 10 here that we mentioned is brand new to you or you didn't know about? Tell us about that. Put it in the comment. Are there any cautions? As usual, like in everything, there's a bit of not everything is for everybody, I would say. Marcia, right?
Yes, sir.
And so we encourage caution. Now, coconut is one of those though that I think have less to worry about. But we're gonna make it, we're gonna put it out there.
Yes.
Of course. So number 1, it's good to be aware of these considerations. Number 1 is the caloric content. Coconut products, especially coconut oil and coconut milk, are calorie dense. If you are watching if you're watching your calorie intake, moderation again is key. Saturated fat. While the saturated fats in coconut is mainly in the form of lauric acid, which has been shown to have neutral or potentially beneficial effects on cholesterol, it is still advisable to consume saturated fats in moderation. And 3, allergies. Some people may be allergic to coconut. Well, people are allergic to nuts in general.
Yes.
Yeah. So if you're prone to allergies, it's wise to introduce coconut products slowly.
Yes.
To monitor any adverse reactions. And of course, if you are on any medications or have specific health conditions, it's always a good idea to check with your healthcare provider. For example, if you're on a low potassium diet, you might want to be mindful of coconut water's excellent potassium content. All right, so a mouthful, a mouthful. Coconut, that we could do a video separate feature on every part of the coconut. We could do a feature on the coconut tree.
Yes.
We could do a feature on the coconut.
On the oil.
Actually, not even the bark.
On the husk, the outside.
The husk? Yes, because you use everything. And in craft as well. You use it in craft.
Yes. Yes.
We could do a feature on the oil as well.
Yes.
Right? The health benefits of just the oil alone.
On the 2 different
types of oil. Yes.
So one is cold pressed. And one is heat processed.
So we could actually, each of them have unique benefits as well.
Benefits, yes.
We could do a feature on the coconut water too.
Yes. Yes.
We could do that. But that's so all right. So let me settle down and say, so you guys agree with me now. Give me a thumbs up. if you agree with me that this is not a normal fruit. This is certainly a superfood that traditionally is used heavily in Jamaica and the Caribbean, tropical islands in general. But with both here, because it's one of them that we use around the clock here. Big up all the Rastas, big up all the Seventh-day Adventists, big up all the Moravians, big up all the people who love them natural food and the healthy, healthy eating, right?
Oh, yes.
Every time. Every time. But hear what happened. Hear what happened, guys. Surprise, surprise. Marcia has taken this to a different level. Marcia has taken coconut oil and used it to make a product. And tell me the name. Actually, let me have her tell you. She used the coke to make, I'm going to say it. She used it to make a special kind of deodorant. Marcia Grey.
Yes.
Your name is big out there now because you're changing the world, impacting the world. Tell us, before you show them, we're not showing you yet, we're not showing them yet. Tell us about what inspired this. And we know you love coconut, but what inspired this project?
Okay. So I love foods in general, food and nutrition in general.
Yeah.
And I had the thought that I could do something more with food other than putting it in my mouth.
Oh. Remember a little baby, a little girl said we should put the food in her belly. So it just remind me, you know? That's funny. All right. All right.
So with my knowledge of healthcare and healthy things, I know that whatever we put on our skin or in our hair, it goes into the body. Not just what you eat orally. You rub ointment on your skin or lotion, it goes into your skin. It isn't left on your hand, it goes into your skin. So I regarded that as your skin eating. Your skin is eating.
Interesting, yes. Yes, you're right,
So,
right, you're teaching, guys. Become the teacher. The skin is eating,
So I thought of making something that is healthy. We know that the closer the product is to nature, the healthier it is. Right, and there are some deodorants that have more chemicals in them and persons react. Persons react to those chemicals.
Hey man, don't worry about it. Something drop on the floor, guys.
Okay. So I thought that I would create this healthy product that persons can use that will do the job of a deodorant. So it takes away odor. And it is healthy and your body will love it. So these deodorants are made with over 90% food ingredients. It's ingredients that you would have in your kitchen. Ingredients in your home.
Interesting.
Yes. And in a certain combination along with essential oils and other things. Harmony.
Including
coconut oil. Of course.
So let's drum roll for the reveal, guys. Drum roll for the reveal. All right. So the drum roll for the reveal. So show them the coconut. The products.
Okay.
So this
is one. This is Morning Blooms.
All right. So this is the roll on. So take it off now. And you use it like any other roll on, obviously.
Yes.
Oh, so this is brand new stuff.
Yes.
All right. So what is this one now?
This one is Morning Blooms. It's a combination of yang and some other fragrances that it's very can you want to smell it? It's very flory. Very flory.
Yes.
So we have
you put different flavors in them.
Yes.
They
have different flavors.
So let me show them off.
Natural essential oils are used in them.
So let me show off them, guys. Let me help her.
This one is coffee. Coffee break.
Jamaican coffee break.
Jamaican coffee break.
Put the other one to the front so the guys, people can see it there.
Amber musk. This one is masculine. That's a masculine fragrance.
Amber musk. Okay.
Yes.
Where you going? Thing down sell off, man.
This one is neroli geranium. This is very feminine. Very flory. Very feminine.
And let me read something here. And I wonder how you get these names. But anyway, no aluminum, no parabens.
Yes.
No artificial fragrance, no harmful chemicals.
Yes.
And these I learned later, and since I met this wonderful lady, I learned about this aluminum business that, guys, and this is serious now, no joke. Aluminum is a part of most of the deodorant and roll-ons that we use today.
Yes.
And that's dangerous. It has carcinogenic properties, right?
And it contributes to Alzheimer's.
Oh my
Yes,
God.
and it
The things that we're
contributes.
doing to ourselves, eh?
It contributes to cancer.
Yes.
Yes,
So
all of those things.
those are so
Yes.
thank God for people like you. And I'm humbled. I am proud but humbled that I'm able to guys to showcase these amazing people. You wonder how I find them, not true? I'm gonna tell you, I find them showcasing their authentic Jamaican Caribbean products and using them to transform life. In this case, the coconut oil to use to make deodorant. Which one is your favorite?
My favorite is the neroli geranium.
Well, because it's feminine.
I like this
Well,
one.
my favorite
Yes.
is this one then. Since you're gone there.
Amber musk. It's
Amber-
very masculine.
That's what you tell me, so that's what I'm
The
choosing.
midnight echo is also very masculine.
Uh-huh.
It's made with some rare fragrances.
So there's one more thing you wanted to tell me about, yeah.
Yes, about the coconut. The purpose of it in the deodorant is that it has antimicrobial properties.
Uh-huh.
So it actually helps to kill the odor-causing bacteria on your underarm. And there is one fatty acid that it had. Coconut has about 8 different fatty acids. One of them called the myristic fatty acid. It actually works like a cleansing agent. So in the deodorant, it is a powerhouse because it cleanses your armpit while at the same time it's killing bacteria, it's cleansing you, and it's nourishing your armpit because it had moisturizing effects. And in combination with everything else, it's a powerhouse under your armpit.
Wonderful.
Yes, so
everybody around come to
that is what it does in the deodorant.
Fantastic.
The deodorant works.
Fantastic. The deodorant works.
Yes.
How long are you doing these now?
About 2 years.
2 years.
Yes.
And I'm proud of you. I know you have the products in some health place and for a pharmacy and whatever it is.
Yes,
Proactive in Mobile.
Lifestyle carries them.
People are watching you from all over the world now.
Proactive Lifestyle carries them in Montego Bay.
Yes, but hold on, man. Proactive can't hold them again. Hold on. People are watching you from all over the world.
Yes.
If they want to get this or any, well, we're not going to talk about the other products because we're tasting baking first. But if they're interested in since you learn about coconut and health benefits and all of this stuff now, and if they're interested in this product in particular, or want to talk to you about health or wellness or whatever else, you know what I mean, how can they reach you? Their phone number?
My number is 876-778-8540.
It's on WhatsApp?
It's on WhatsApp.
Okay. And
they can also email at gharmonynaturals at gmail.com. gharmonynaturals@gmail.com.
Fantastic.
Yes.
Marcia,
and there's a website as well.
Oh, yes. Is it up and running?
Yes, it is.
All right, go tell them.
gharmonynaturals.com.
All right. And people can order on there?
No orders yet on the website.
Yes, so call you.
But they can email or they can call.
Call or WhatsApp. It sounds like it's the safest thing, at least for now.
Yes, for now.
All right. Everybody from Hanover, big her up. She's a Hanover.
Hanoverian.
Is what you call it? Hanoverian. Yes. But she lives in town now, right? So big up Hanover people and proud of Hanover people seeing me, right?
So can I give the tagline for this product?
Sure.
The tagline is more than just a deodorant. It's a foodorant.
It's a food.
It's a foodorant.
I love our vibes, guys. Marcia Grey. Marcia, I have one question I quickly squeeze in. What makes Jamaica special?
The creativity of the people.
Wonderful.
And the innovativeness of people.
Wonderful.
They make things out of nothing sometimes.
Wonderful.
That makes us special.
Man. A+ you get teacher. A+ you get today. And we have guys, her phone number and everything else. More information is in the description. We have some goodies for you as well. Check the description for this. And actually, for more about coconut, all the health benefits of coconut, her phone number, and all the other stuff that I have there going on and that you need to see. Marcia Grey, lover of coconut. Proud of her. Give her a thumbs up now. This lady gave me ice cream. No, it's okay. It's vegetarian. ice cream,
So,
coconuts. Hold on. Coconut cereal ice cream, is that it? Right?
yes.
Bad like yours. And here what happened now? And then now she's giving me. What is this?
This is vegan fruit cake made with all kinds of fruits, including figs, dates, raisins,
all
and so
vegetarian.
on. And it's gluten free. It's made with buckwheat flour and cassava flour.
Mercy.
There's no regular flour in it. No eggs, no wine, no nothing. It's vegan. This one is jackfruit and coconut cake.
Jackfruit coconut cake.
Jackfruit and coconut.
Coconut again, guys.
Yes.
That's jackfruit.
Jackfruit and coconut.
Man. This lady has one with things. See her face again? More to come. Man, Marcia, guys. The coconut ambassador. What jumped out at you? Tell me, man. I would love to hear. Put it in the comments. There's another video you need to see. The video with April, Anne-Marie. We call her Anne-Marie as well. April. That video that I did down in country, where she showed us how to make coconut, authentic Jamaican coconut oil, using, yes, of course, coconut. There's a link in the description and it's in the card above. See you in that one.